accident, so...
Accident? You devious housemaid, eh? This is deliberate.
Yes, she purposely do am. You don't tell where she dey plan am. You know she say her eye no done. You no cook well. So this thing where you talk, you don't do am. You don't finally carry your particulars and press on top of Ghana.
Excuse me, my lord. This is just an accident.
Oh!
It's a coincidence, okay?
Okay.
It didn't just happen.
Oh, God will bless you.
She was coming, I was trying to pass, and we slipped.
We all collide.
Oh, God will bless you. I know that this witchcraft Dorcas. That she now they cause this problem. She go carry something, tell her that for another thing. You go come make her bring her, go put some done and into something.
You see that something where you dey look for this house, eh? Something go enter your
It's okay, both of you, it's okay. Get out of here, it's okay.
Get out. You don't get sense. Come on, that you're big nash for road. Make sense. No, it's move. Say what thing go happen? You go do wetin? Eh? This thing where you dey plan things.
Babe, I was actually going to get water from the fridge. Please help me, okay?
Okay, no problem. Hope you're okay.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm good.
Okay, I'm coming.
What do you think, Seth? You don't get sense, oh. You don't get sense at all. So you just keep that your long mouth to one take and shook inside your mouth. Since I not see you, and because I not talk and one I did here.
Your cash be the call of your family problem. Tell me, make I know. Your mother your pull mouth for common accidents.
Which come on waiting. I beg come on there. Me and you know say no be accident. No be you why no. Something where you plan where. Eh? See you who they talk. Something where you plan. See, I see as you they look oga. The look where I see for your eyes now, the look of person where they look fried chicken, delicious one where you want chop.
Dorcas, you got so tell me, your mother you the read me inside where me no day. You be wicked person, you don't pull mouth, you nearly make madam sack me just now. I no go take a like me with you. You be my number one enemy. That's not the see.
Now lie. Now you be your number one enemy. And that foolish thing where they inside your head, where they command you to go cause accident, so that from that accident you go meander, enter inside Oga. Now be your enemy, but you never know. Since I don't know you, something where you don't the plan since. What did they make you smile? I don't catch you, Abby. I know you very well, nah. True.
So you said you know me, now you want spoil work for me. You said you bad. Oga body you're soft. As I use my breast hit the chest. Every time I down.
You don't craze, so. You don't craze. Waiting remain now for you to enter market naked. Anyway, carry your job they play. You they hear me so? Carry your job they play. They look for ways to cause accidental romance until madam catch you. You know, say that woman, she know they carry her husband joke. That woman go tear you so. In fact, she no go forgive you. You know.
I swear, Dorcas madam they enjoy. Oga body you make me or two. Yes.
Oga body they do me a tear.
Yeah, me too.
Ma go report you to madam.
No, Dorcas when they worry you. You said they get temperamental issue. What they do you say?
Why not get temperamental issue? Respect yourself. I don't tell you.
Oh, this thing where you do, Dorcas, I don't like it. You know, say, I just use my body touch your guys. See they talk.
For you, bless me.
Dorcas, see! You said you want me. My body you want me.
Are you okay? Why are you frowning?
Baby, I have this unsettling feeling about what happened between you and the maid.
You'd think I deliberately kissed her in the public, where people will see me. I mean, that will make me a bad cheater.
No, baby. No. I know it was a mistake on your end, but her, she's not innocent.
We collided and fell together. So I don't know why you should put it on her like that.
Baby, there is something I saw inside Arero's eyes. There is something inside there. So manipulating, calculating and scheming. I know I cannot prove anything now, but my sixth sense cannot be wrong about this.
She said it was an accident, and you wonder about risking getting fired for creating intimate incidents. I think she's smart enough to be guided.
Baby, I don't think having adults as maid is a good one. I just hope I'm not missing out on something. Just hope so.
Babe, come to the bed. Come on, let me cuddle you. You worry too much. You worry too much. Huh? Stop stoning yourself. Fine.
Hi, see as you fine well this morning, eh? But wait oh, I just dey look you. Who you resemble, sef? Because you no look like your mama, you no look like your papa.
An angel. Angels are pretty, and I must look like one.
In fact, you are correct. You must look like angel because you no look like them at all.
You don't look like who? Dorcas, can't you see that my daughter looks like the father?
Oh, madam, you know not be quarrel now, eh? Just that I no see the resemblance at all. Oh. But no worry, I go look well, and I go tell you who she resembles.
I don't know what is wrong with the employees of this house. One is busy trying to find out who my daughter looks like, and the other is busy creating intimate indulgence with my husband. Eh? I don't know whether the work in this house is too flexible. I will sack one and make the other do the job of the boat.
Madam, no vex. See, as you dey even talk, now I can't look well. I can see say your nose will look like in Papa own, even the eyes.
My dear, don't mind Dorcas. She's just joking, okay? Yes, please don't take it too serious. Okay? It's okay. So, shall we?
Okay.
Okay.
See you. Dorcas. Dorcas. I want to see you in private. Okay, follow me. What should I do to ensure that your tongue is silenced? Should I cut it off?
Madam, don't vex now. Na joke they joke. Na joke.
You are joking. Are you trying to put a seed of distrust and discord between me and my husband?
Madam, but you no do anything wrong now. Clear conscience, you know they fear accusation.
Oh, so it's an accusation. Wow. You think someone else fathered my child?
God forbid. Me. How I won't think that kind of thing? I beg, madam, I no talk like that, oh. Me? I dey loyal to your government, oh. I no fit talk that one, God forbid.
Dorcas, next time you run this your careless mouth will be the last time you walk in this house. Do you understand me? And don't forget how good I've been to you. Because of this your tongue, Dorcas, I will end my generosity to you and your family. Do you understand me, Dorcas? Dorcas. Better. You can go.
Where is this girl now?
Let her bring your own food. Will you come back here? Get back. What are you doing? Why are you shaking? Why are you shaking your bum bum?
They shake my bum bum. Man, I don't shake my bum bum. I don't walk out like this.
Why all this indecent dressing? Eh? You didn't even tie wrap on top of it or something.
Madam, I don't dress indecent too. Heat they do me for this house. You know, say for now alone, I put AC for our room. Oh, no, not put AC for our room. Heat they do me. As I go market, go buy things. Now I can't say, hey, see this. I see this light tonight. Where now I buy it. Make breeze they enter my body.
Before I open my eyes and close it, you have gone inside and changed this thing. Eh? You people start wearing uniform in this house.
Uniform? Why don't I try?
You don't want to wear uniform?
No, sorry.
Will you get out of here?
Tell me, what we go do this thing with madam don't talk and I say we go to wear uniform from now on.
See as you dey talk am like say you no know say na you cause am. See as you just dey talk am, you dey free for your mouth. Eh? I no even understand you. Anytime wey dem take decision for this house, anytime wey dem take decision or they come punish us, na you dey always cause am. Why?
I don't understand what they try talk.
See as you talk am, e dey easy for your mouth. No, see as you talk am, e dey easy for your mouth. If you no carry the free cloth wey we dey wear for this house, carry and go fall on top of madam husband, he go do this thing. He go tell us to begin wear uniform like primary school children. Eh? I don't understand you. Anytime when they take decision for this house, anytime when they punish us for this house, now you they always cause am. Why?
Dorcas, why you be like this? Why you dey very wicked? You do always add more fire inside fire we don't dey burn already. If na so God they judge all of us, how many people for remain? Every day they bring my past, they come back. And they judge you with your past. All the things you don't tell me about you, and they judge you.
I beg you, make I hear word.
Only for what for God, but you just want to crucify me.
See, make I tell you. If you know what's good for you, if you know what's good for you, you better wear that uniform. If not that uniform, now go save your job. You better wear them. Yes, if you come out here, I don't know the kind of job where you fit do as I they look you so.
You dey try tell me say you no go wear the uniform.
Wetin come concern nanny with uniform? Wetin concern?
But madam say na our two go wear uniform.
No, not be wetin you talk because you no get sense. See say na you dey look as they talk am. Yes, wetin concern person wey dey take care of pikin with uniform. Na person wey dey cook, person wey dey wash cloth and clean house suppose wear uniform. See, if for any reason they eventually force me to wear that uniform, and I wear am, just know say I no go forgive you. See the kind nonsense where you cause. Anyway, see, make I tell you, come out your eye from Oga. From Oga. Come out your eye from Oga.
Drop me for ground. I don't know what you did.
I don't tell you before.
What you mean? No,
I don't tell you again.
I go wear the uniform. Nothing concern me. I'm not ready to lose my job. I go wear the uniform. If you like, continue.
You better say you wear am. If not, you go find yourself for hold up. You go there traffic. They sell pure water. And no fear. Big man house no just fit you at all. You suppose go find one onyeburu or all these iron condemned people. Go their house, go they serve them.
Dorcas, I dey hear wetin you dey talk.
You suppose hear.
I go swag on.
You got one more. You got one more. Chineke pogonko. Fool. I don't even know why they put me and you for the same house. You just be bad luck. If not be say, I don't love this pikin why they take care of where I go just come out this house, find another house, leave this one for you. Take you there here, they do competition with madam.
Do you notice that Benita and Dorcas have this similar look? You know, when they want to focus on something, both of them kind of look alike. Do you notice that?
I do. And I don't like it. I have to do something about it. Dorcas is teaching this girl, this our baby, unrefined way of doing things. I have to fire her.
Come on, fire her for what? Why? Because our daughter looks like her? Oh, come on. Come on, that would be you overreacting. Dorcas, this Dorcas you're saying, Dorcas is a good nanny. So it would be so funny you firing her for such a flimsy excuse.
Flimsy, you say?
It wouldn't be nice.
No. Honey, I have to do something about it. Can't you see Dorcas is bonding more with our child than we are supposed to? And very soon our child will start seeing her as a role model. Don't you think so?
That will not happen not when she has a mother to look up to and follow her footsteps. It will not happen.
Are you sure about it?
Yes.
Not be smart thing when they come.
Good day.
Sammy, orange man with the haircut. Sit down.
You've come again.
Sit down. Fresh man, tomato. Yeah, everything, they're very fresh.
You're very funny.
They come here, make I know.
It's okay.
Sammy.
Sammy. Welcome.
What's the happen?
Ekene,
What's the happen?
wetin be this one now?
Why you they do my work for me?
Chineke me. You know, do you have sense at all? As I bring this juice now, make I service store. It bad.
See trouble.
Ladies.
You know, say that me they serve you juice normally. Why she gonna do my work for me? Now she be nanny,
so
me and I be housemaid.
As I do am now.
Ladies,
Abeg, leave this
ladies, please. The juice is for me, right?
Yes.
Let me have it.
No, this
Jesus. You see what you call?
What's
going on here? What is this?
Oh,
Oga, na this girl will not get sense.
You've just embarrassed my friend.
Very foolish girl.
What is this?
Sometimes she dey do like person wey chop dirty winch.
Na person chest be this.
Larry.
She dey do like person wey chop dirty winch.
Which one be say person wey chop dirty winch? Where that one they come from?
Hey,
if you not be winch, you tell me who chop dirty winch.
Will you just shut up? Shut up! You just disgraced someone. What is this rubbish now? Larry, just take a look. Sammy, I am so sorry. Please. Please. Can you see what you have done? I am sorry. I'm sorry, Sammy. Just look at what you have done. Sammy, it's okay, please.
I go wash am. I know say na my fault. Wash it. Na me make them all juice for your body.
Which kind of talk come be that one?
Can both of you take this thing away from me?
Then you can fight me.
Hey.
Give me that thing.
Hey.
Give am go.
Hey. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
My shirt! Larry, my shirt!
Sammy, oh God.
Hey, listen to you. They shoot go. They are very sorry.
Enough is enough.
Yes.
I don't understand why both of you are fighting each other. Eh?
No be say we dey fight though. We just dey try make we impress you or make you that praise us. We no say we dey overdo.
Me too. We be say we dey try make una for praise us. We no know say the thing go turn to something else. Blood of Jesus!
What's that?
He go with the shoot. I don't know.
Stop.
I need to apologize to Sammy. I mean, he really went through it all today. And what is this unhealthy rival between both of you?
Rival.
Yeah. Hey, stop now. Oga, nothing like your rival.
The rival for front.
We no be rival at all.
Yes, we know the rival.
You know that thing where be say you go dey stop now. That thing where be say you go dey walk. You go dey like say we dey try to see who go walk pass.
Yes.
Make una say
something
we
like
dey
that.
try. Finish.
Now be say we know the rival. Rival no know us. We know the relationship with rival. I know rival.
No.
Honey, I don't understand why we are listening to them. We should be firing them.
Hey!
Excuse me.
Blood of Jesus.
Hey,
Don't
man.
say it. Clean it off.
We
Speak it.
No.
Fire.
It no go happen again.
It no go happen. If it happen again, make the Igbo of our community die. Yes.
Hey, Sammy.
Afana.
What's up? Please sit.
Sure.
Sammy, you see, I just want to apologize for what happened yesterday, okay? Amongst you and those my housemates. Please, I apologize. You know, those girls, they sabi the work, oh. Do you understand? But, you know, sometimes they overdo. But please, I apologize. Forgive. Please.
So, I had to suffer because of their overzealousness. That's what you're saying?
That is not just the right way to put it, but I'm sorry.
I get it. They are doing their job. But, I mean, they should be more professional. Not what they actually did. They should know who is your person. You know, they should just do better, please.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll handle it. Please.
Well, I actually came to discuss with you about the Mira's account. Are you aware that they are trying to pull out of our company? Yes, they're trying to pull out.
I thought they were pleased with our services.
I don't even know. But here's the danger. You know, Mira's account, they're one of our biggest clients.
Okay.
And you won't believe who they are pulling out to. Our biggest rivals. The JKs. And this cannot just happen. We cannot afford to lose the Mira's account. We just have to do something.
Yeah, you're right.
And I will try to secure them back, like to convince them. I don't know what the JKs are offering them that we are not. But I will still try to do more.
Please do. Very important.
Yeah. So serious.
You just dey smile since. Eh? Oh, yeah, tell me. What did they make you smile?
I remember what my friends say that other day you came to school to take me home.
What did they talk?
They said that I look like you, that we have the same face.
God forbid. God forbid, you look like who? Eh? My baby. Eh? You don't look like her, can't you see? You are prettier than Dorcas.
Am I?
Yes, my baby, you are.
But my friend said...
Oh, forget what your friend said, eh? You are the most beautiful girl in the whole wide world, eh?
Not true. You fine well. I not fine now. So how you want to look like me? Anytime we those your friends talk that thing, tell them say them they lie. Yeah?
Baby, get up, please. Can you go to your room? Go to your room. Oh, yeah. You, Dorcas. Oh, yeah. Follow me. What are you still doing? Follow me now.
I hope all day well. All is well.
All is well. But I'm not comfortable with your closeness with my daughter, Benita.
Closeness, yes. I know, madam, you no expect say I go dey close to pikin wey I dey take care of. Pikin wey I dey feed, pikin wey I dey bath. You suppose expect say me and am go, I go dey close to am.
I expected you to be close to her. But what you are passing on her, the stress you pass on, I'm not comfortable with it at all.
I beg, madam, wetin dey wrong with am?
You are bonding more with my daughter than I, the mother. And I'm not comfortable with it.
Oh. Now I get am. See, madam, you see that thing where you dey think? No worry. It no go happen. I just dey here dey do my nanny job with my whole heart. I go take care of the pikin now, and I suppose take care of am very well. Na him I dey do, nothing else. I promise you that.
my God.
Welcome. Welcome, sir.
It's okay, it's okay. Okay. You can go now, eh? You can go now. I said you can go.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now I want to start dusting the bed.
Do you want me to help you remove the clothes?
What? Hey, I'm good.
Okay.
Oh my God.
I feel like firing our domestic workers. Yes. Both Arero and Dorcas.
Why? What have they done again?
I just have this weird feeling that they want to take something from me, something that matters the most from me.
Babe, where is this coming from? This is not like you. Is it like you're feeling insecure?
Honey, you call it insecurity. I call it system. I want those girls. I feel like they want something more than what we are giving them. Like, I want them gone. Let them go. I want them gone before they mess things up for us in this house. Let them go, please.
Babe, wait. Let me ask you something. You want to sack the domestic staff that have been working here for years? It sounds funny. Okay, what are you even going to tell them if you go to meet them now? Okay, ladies, I think you ladies are bad, or what? What are you going to tell them?
Honey, I feel like this is the right thing to do, and I cannot go back on this. I want them gone. All I need now, babe, is your full support. Please, can you support me on this?
Babe, okay, see, the domestic business, it's your business.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So you have my support on this. Whatever you want. I'm good with it. Just do your thing.
Thank you so much. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Come here.
Oh.
This one you keep mouth like Nkaku wey never see food. He be like say you don't see Oga as he dey kiss madam, you got the vex. Your face don't change.
Which kind of talk come be that one?
Which kind of talk no be am?
I beg, make you dey talk wetin dey make sense. So where this one dey come from? Even if I be witch, even if I belong to the coven of principalities and power, why go dey vex say husband dey kiss his wife?
You pass principalities and power now. Hey! If then get king and queen for that principalities and power kingdom, now you. In fact, if you get rank way big past principalities and powers, now there you dey. Oh, you don't know? You don't know?
You go soon tell more than you carry me go the coven of principalities and power. Not be your matter they do me now. They want sack us. Madam, they type our sack letter.
So you dey talk am now, make I begin shake now. No, you dey talk am now, make my heart begin beat fast. No be so. If you no go, they do accidental gun body with your husband. We go there like this. This thing go happen. No, if you no go fall on top of a husband, they keep your long mouth like a dog. This thing for happen.
Oh, now what did they talk?
Yes, nah.
They talk. Not because of me, they want sack us. Now because of you, your bad character. Madam, now you they cause what madam want to sack us. See you, they say you make you can't do nanny. You leave nanny work where they say you. Can't go they do, say now you love madam picking person. Now that thing then they make madam so one sack us. So if you don't know me, they prepare your letter of apology where you want to go give them.
Yeah, man, come out there, you be beast. So you dey expect say I go to take care of pikin and no go love am? No, I dey ask you now. You dey expect I beg leave that thing. See, your problem is say you dey like to shift blame. My dear, now because of you. Yes, you see say madam no dey see as you dey look your husband. You think say madam no dey see all the things where you dey do?
Dorcas na lie, na big lie. Dorcas, man, I tell you, na crush on Oga. That one no even mean anything. But you see when you don't kolo, go meet woman. The child let her know say no love if he reach you. At that place you go don't give her secure problem. Better. Now you they want to wait for this house. I they tell you. Then they talk.
Which kind of English with that? Because I never hear them.
Security.
Ha! Now you dey call security. Go school, you say school na scam. Since the nonsense when you dey speak.
Now because I dey fast, I need to explain the thing.
I beg, leave
that make me too sick.
You no know am. Just admit say you no know am. Anyway, my problem with you too be saying you dey like to shift to blame give another person. You dey eye person husband. They wan sack you. You come dey talk say na because of pikin. My job dey secure. Nobody fit sack me. Me wey dey take care of pikin.
Nobody fit sack you.
They no fit try am.
What you do for this house?
I dey take care of pikin na.
Which pikin? Only na the work wey they give you, that you take care of. What me they do for this house? Na me they cook, na me they clean, na me they go market. Even the pikin where you they talk about, na me they give am food, na me they wash clothes. Tell me what they do. Tell me.
See, make I tell you, that's your cleaning job. Anybody fit do am. Madam fit vex come outside, carry aboki come, aboki go clean the whole house. Aboki go yes, but he gets the level of trust when you go get before you go leave person to take care of your pikin. And as it stands now, I don't dare that level. So nobody fit sack me. If you know what they go for you, go look as you go beg go because that letter na you there.
My sister in the Lord.
Who be your come out here? Who be your sister?
I dey tell you now. Better go dey prepare apology letter. Now you madam wan sack. Now you be the cause of her problem. She dey vex for you.
Now you be the cause of her problem. You dey eye your husband. And madam don't look am see say if he leave you, say your eye no good, say you fit collect your husband. Now you make madam just dey rush the letter, make you write and finish.
I want to collect your husband.
Eh?
When I did this house, no madam give me
Because
this maternity gown what they wear. Naturally I get big nyash, I know they wear clothes like you know, you dey wear normal clothes.
You know
me I dey wear
sense.
maternity dey waka. My nyash no dey shake.
You no get sense. You never think and say for this house now you dey wear big cloth pass. Because madam they try to hide their nyash by fire by force, making husband no look am. So my dear, you see that sack letter, it is for you. So go find what you go do because your job in this house is shaking.
Madam! Madam! Madam!
Larry, take it easy. Larry, look. Just...
Doc, how is she? How is my wife? Please talk to me. Did she survive the accident? Tell me she survived.
Larry,
Doctor, please talk to me. Eh?
Come with me to my office.
Doctor, tell me whatever you want to tell me here. Your office and here, they're the same thing now. Talk to me. How is she doing?
Calm down. Calm down.
Okay, I'm coming down. So tell me my wife survived the accident.
We tried everything we could possibly do to save her. Larry, we lost your wife. We lost her. Nina is gone.
What are you saying?
Nina is gone.
What are you talking about?
Please calm down.
Doctor, what are you talking about? Doctor, do everything you can. Do all you can, please. Larry, please calm down. Doctor, Doctor, baby. Doctor, please. Just Larry, please. Larry.
God! That's what madam you take there like that. Madam, you want to sack up to me. You're dead.
take your own. Na me kill am. Abeg go. You think say they pay you rich as they pay me? Me wey dey here dey die inside sense. Eh? You just dey me like say make I just wake up. Come realize say na sleep I dey sleep since and na bad dream na him I get. Because I no understand this thing. See, make I tell you something. I learned something from this thing, no. Nothing dey this life. Nothing there. All this gragra wey person dey do, nothing there. 1 minute, madam dey alive. Now how they shout say him go sack us, him go sack us. Next minute, they don't fall for battle die. God. Hey! God. Oh God, tears don't full my eye. I don't cry. I don't cry. Say to my eye, they pain me. God, why? How?
Dorcas. Dorcas. Shebi, you tell me say una from lineage of native doctor. You sure say no be una carry arrow throw give this woman wey kill am so?
No. But I dey suspect you wey you be descendant of witches. Sure say una no carry madam enter una cove chop am.
Dorcas!
Yes now. Yes now. Maybe una don carry am. Enter that una that cove. Scatter am.
Dorcas, why you go talk that kind of thing?
Why I no go talk am? Na the kind things wey witches dey do be that.
No be you tell me say una come from lineage of ancestral lineage. Because I tell you say my great-grandmother mama na witch, but he come later give his life to Christ. Now you come carry am for head, now they talk they use against me.
DNA dey for inside your body.
Una wey una lineage, no be you tell me say una lineage say na native doctor una dey do.
I no tell you like that o. I tell you say we be herbalist. Herbalist and native doctor no be the same thing. In fact, witches na dem dey connected to native doctor, no be herbalist. Our own na to give herbs. Anybody wey dey sick, we give am herb, e go well. Una own coven na una dey affiliated inside native doctor business. So no call my name o.
Hi. Dorcas, if I dey see you, you dey vex me. I swear sometimes dey be like say make I put my hand like this, swag you see, man just conk your head for me.
Try am now. Try am. You before you do am, you go just first of all go point where you go like make them bury you before you try am.
I no try am because you strong pass me, you go beat me. You tell me say I don't know what that make her dey happy. Say madam died because he don't clear road for me now. Say I go fees come finally marry Oga. Make her dey cry say madam died. I know madam man happy. Happy man dey thank God. Which one I go
Jesus. You be a person o. Makachi, you be a person.
Wetin I do?
See the kind thing where you dey think. Eh? You don't even think of the pikin where the woman live and the husband where the man in wife. You just dey here, they plan how you want to collect the man. The way why they look you, your hand dey for inside that thing.
Jesus.
In fact, make I know even beat around the bush. My mind they tell me say na you kill am. Yes! Because you, after all. Now only you and I'm dead. Yes! Not be wetin you tell us. Now only you and I'm dead that day for room. You come out, come tell us say he fall. Who know whether like you push him so that he go die, make you collect him husband.
Why you can? Dorcas in the morning when madam dey up. As madam come here, I arrange bed finish. I arrange bed finish. Madam say man come out. I say come out. The next day I never too go far. Madam just shout. I say why madam go shout? Now I roll enter house. As I reach the room, I don't see madam. I come open bedroom door. I don't see madam.
Make I tell you, now person wey thief na him dey cry pass. You know when you dey cry now, na this way wey men dey dey cry. Later we find out say him be only number 2 man.
I gonna talk say I kill myself. I gonna talk say I kill myself. This way they talk now no good. I mean you na who go fit kill person?
You? Hey! You be me like who go keep person. You be me like who go keep person, bury am close mouth so nobody go know. You be me like person wey go keep person just because he see 5 naira for inside the person purse. You still be me like person wey go keep person collecting destiny.
Look at me. I be all this thing and I know.
You go thank me now because now I don't tell you. You don't know. Person don't tell you say you know they fine when you they cry. You know Sabi crying. But we need to. How you take now about serial killer? I never heard that English before. Hey!
It feels like she never left. I hear her voice. Her smiles, her laughter, her conflict. She left so soon. I don't think I can go on living. She left without making preparation or saying goodbye.
How does one prepare for untimely death? How does one prepare for accidents? You don't see it coming. How can you prepare for what you can't see?
I know. I just can't believe she's gone. We had so much plans together. We have a lot of things to do together. If I knew the time is short, I would have made out time to give her a better life.
Larry, Nina knows you love her. She was proud of you as a husband. You made her proud to be the father of your daughter Benita. Look, you need to stop blaming yourself. You need to stop stressing. Find your peace. Your daughter, Benita, she needs you now. She needs your love and your strength.
I've lost the willpower to go on living. Whenever I see Benita, I feel like I've failed her for not protecting the mother. It would have been me.
Larry.
Every child needs a mother.
Larry, you don't have to say that. No one deserves to die. There is nothing you could have done. Like I mentioned, your daughter Benita. She needs your love and your strength. You have to be there for her. Even more than ever.
Sleep. Close your eyes and sleep. Remember what I tell you. If you wake up for middle of the night and you dey fear, you pray. That prayer where I teach you. Prayer. It's okay. Sleep.
Auntie, please don't go. Stay with me.
Of course I will stay with you if you want, nah. I make you the talk am like say I no go agree.
My daddy said that my mom went to heaven, that she's now an angel, that she watches over me from heaven.
Not true. Not true. Your mama na angel now. She there for heaven. And as we dey talk, she dey look from heaven, they look you, they smile. But anytime when you no happy or when you sad, she too, she go dey sad where she dey. So if you want make your mama dey happy anytime when she look down, just dey happy, okay?
But why did she leave me and go far away? I feel lonely.
How you go feel lonely when I dey here? Come. Listen, I go dey here. I know they go anywhere. I dey for you.
Promise me that you will not go.
Go where? Where you dey here? Now where you dey, me I go there. I promise you, see. Close your eyes, sleep. I no go come out on you until you sleep. Oh? Hey. God. It's okay. Now wait now. I beg, why you dey draw me like?
Dorcas.
Now wait.
Dorcas. So that's how you be? Dorcas, that's how you be? Madam, they right oh. Madam fair talk and say you won't collect the key for your hand. I see and I hear everything what you do for inside that room. I see you now. So that's how you be. You just want Colombia, Madam Pikin. Somebody, put them for your body, make it be like saying your own. Now your strategy be this.
See the nonsense where you dey talk. Eh? Benita na toy wey person fit Colombia just like that. Yeah?
Benita na toy wey person fit Colombia. Tell me say no be your strategy be this. Because I don't see say you dey try use Benita to enter Oga heart. Abi, yes or no?
Come on. You know they pity that girl. You know the way where that girl take dey cry every day since when your mama die. Now because say you don't know, now make you just open your mouth to wow, they talk nonsense.
Hey, Dorcas! Dorcas, thank God say you kukuma don't know. Say I don't try all my strategy. You know say since now me they suffer for Oga, but you just come from nowhere. Come they pretend say you like a pikin pass everybody, so that Oga you go use through pikin enter Oga heart. You na backstabber. You.
Hey, so for your mind now, you think say I dey love the girl because of Oga?
Before uncle.
No wonder your brain dry. Juice no dey inside at all.
Well, if you like, make you talk anything. What I don't know be say this new strategy where you bring, you kukuma know say all my strategy don't lost. So as you don't bring this one, two of us now go there together. We will love the pikin. Anywhere the pikin go they come. But
who be this one?
Anyhow, this love of this pikin, now two of us go love am. My sister, now this strategy, now me and you go join am. So nobody yourself. What do you say the pikin they like? They like a jingle bell or what do they like? No why they tell you that me for them not follow me.
Just passing by. Remember me? I carried you where the storm was coming. I held it close, and there was shelter. Now it's so big, I can hardly get to you.
So this man go work again today with empty stomach. He no chop anything. He say, come on there, long truth.
You don't clear to me say this man they on the move to join a wife in the other side.
Hi.
I just did notice now.
And if this man continue like this, the kind way where us I go take a hammer him, he no go like him. Hi. What we go do?
What do you mean by what we go do? You and who? I don't understand. What we got to see about what we got to. Not be maybe the chief chef for this house, chief maintenance of this house. Now me they maintain everywhere for this house. Now my side, my quarters they leak. So what you go to ask me now? What I go do? No be what we go do. You nani you they do. What they call you for? So talk better. Ask me what I go do. You know who need to ask me. I already know what I go do. What I go do in my head. It's in my head.
What you go do there your head? That's
plans.
Good. Because me too, I get plans. What I go do? It in my head too.
What be your plans?
You say waiting. Waiting be your Ekene. Oh, you carry your own plans for head, but you want to make I give you my own. As your own plan dey your head, my own plan dey my head too.
Yes. Tell me your own plan. Make I know that I resemble my own.
No, you go tell me your own plan. As the wisest of two of us, I go check am. If you go work, I go tell you. If not, I go now tell you my own.
Who shall be wisest of? You waiting, you wise. Who tell you say you know anything for this house?
I wise pass you.
How you tell wise pass?
Everybody knows say I wise.
But if they work for this house, so you tell they talk say you wise. Who give you level for here?
Now make them give me a whole human being. Make they take care of. And because say you don't know anything, you know wise. Now they give you ground, give you wall, make you the sweep.
See this one, oh!
I beg.
See who they talk. You, me, now me get all the human being from my hand. Now me they cook on food. I feel put poison, all of them go down overnight.
You know if you try am, you don't forget the lineage where I come from. You know,
native daughter.
You know if you try am, you self you know. Now I make you never kill me.
Wait, to that means you get what you use for food before you eat something before I give you food.
Oh, okay, now you know.
You dey practice the native daughter.
You for ask yourself why all the nonsense where you they try to use kill me never work.
I never try to kill you, but I won't ask you first. People like say they take
you
take something.
Why say you never try?
Lie. Larry, what is it? I have been talking to you all this while. Say something. Don't tell me you actually returned back to work. For real?
Yes, I'm back. I cannot be away forever. If I'm not joining her on the other side, at least I should find a way of surviving. And returning to work is another way of survival.
Larry, you're not making sense. You just lost your wife about a month ago. Everything is too fast for you to return to work. Do you not understand that at least you should stay at home and show her some respect? Even in her absence?
You're talking as if I'm abandoning her memories. I'm not. I'm suffocating. Yes. Being at home alone, thinking of her, is making me seeing her everywhere. Everything around is just her that I'm seeing. Do you understand? So I need this job just to distract myself. I need to gain my sanity back.
I understand now. Good. I apologize for being insensitive. Welcome back, brother.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Alright. If you need anything, call me for assistance.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Thank you. I'm in my office. Just call me if you need any assistance.
It's okay. Just go with the food. I do not have appetite.
Hi. I know say when I dey come here, say you go prove stubborn, say you no go reach up this food. But Oga, na afternoon now. You no chop since morning. Now make I carry and come this afternoon, make you for chop something, make something there your belly now. Eh?
Because it's not your job. Benita should be your major focus.
And na because of Benita na him I dey do this thing. That girl don't see something. She don't suffer a lot now. She don't lose one parent. She still dey grieve for that one. Then you will be the only parent where she gets. You won't take hunger by yourself. Okay, if you die now, you go come leave that poor girl alone for this world. Girl, where will her brain come? You check am now, you know good. Eh?
Wow, wow. You really have a lot on your mind. How is Benita doing?
Oga, this question where you ask me now, I go like make you ask him that question yourself when two of you dey together. I won't make you chop, make you get strength, make you die alive for that girl. That girl, she really needs you. Eh? Just chop.
Unfortunately, for some time now, I do not just have the appetite to eat anything. I'll be fine. Just go with the food.
Okay, now you go help yourself. See, make I tell you, if not for anything, do am for your pikin. Eh? You go help yourself as you dey chop the food. You go dey say, I dey chop am for my pikin. I go dey chop am for my pikin. Before you know wetin dey happen, you don download the food finish. Oh, you need am. Take. And the food is sweet well. You go like am. You go like am. Once you start from now, ha. See, you know the perceive am. Chai, too fine, too sweet. Oh yeah, chop. Oh, eat. Make I dey here and watch you.
I just want you here with me. I just want you here with me.
How is she?
She dey fine.
Okay.
She don't sleep. I just dey wait make she sleep deep before I go come out. But na strong girl na she be. She go dey alright.
Thank you for filling the gap.
Oga, gap. Nobody fit fill that gap. Oh. You see that gap where her mama live? Person no fit fill am. Her mama too love am. The love wey he show am too much. So
Yeah.
it go hard though.
I mean, you being very close to her all the time makes her strong, okay? Yeah, so I thank you so much. And also, thank you for bringing food for me earlier today. I mean, you made sure, and I mean, you actually made sure I ate the food. That means a lot to me.
Okay, now my job I did too. Now what thing I supposed to do with that?
I know it's your job, but, you know, you did the work of a delivery man, even where you're not. You did more than I paid for.
You're welcome, Oga.
Appreciate, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Oh, Chimo, you don't leave me now. As I know you don't just want to talk to you, you don't leave me.
Wait!
Now what's with that one?
Excuse me, what's they say be your name again? They will call you Desperado. I been they call on as green snake under the green grass.
What's in the worry yourself? Okay, so what's in your problem? What thing I do now?
Show me the food where I cook now. You can't go to play lovey with Oga. After you gonna be and say you don't like Oga, you know who send Oga, but behind you they go to seduce Oga.
You did very selfish. Now selfishness now ain't go kill you. Okay, so if hunger buy that man now, who you go come dey crush on? As I carry food, go give the man, make hunger no kill him. You know like him?
Doka, see! Not be your work to feed Oga. Your work that to take care of pikin nani na my work to feed Oga.
See him, isi come. So that's your dog brain now. No tell you say maybe now because of the child now make I do am. You know say if hunger kill that man, that child don't lose the only parent where he gets. You don't know that, but you be eating how you want take no.
Hey, you na like so you be. Doka na like this you be. You be desperado. You see you this your bad character. You don't dey farm now say you dey look at for pikin and lie. You dey find way you want to become madam. This I no know. See ma tell you, may all the house bear me witness. So I no go serve two madam for the same house. I no go try am. I don serve the former madam. You see you nani, I no go serve you as madam.
You see this fight where you dey fight. You just dey fight with yourself, oh. Yes, because me, I know dey for the equation, I know dey for the combat. So when you fight yourself finish, you carry this yourself, go kitchen, go find wetin you go do. Now idleness, na dey worry you.
Oh, now me, that time you think say you get strategy. I get strategy pass you. That's what I say. I get strategy. Come on here. Me get strategy pass you, sister. If you don't want to listen to me, I will still talk to you. We go see who get strategy pass. Bet me, I will tell you that I have strategy more than you. I will strategize, and you will see it. I do. Come on for here. Come on for here. Dorcas, avoid me for where Oga dey o. I go jam you o. I go jam you o.
He chop the food. Why you dey dodge the question? He chop the food. See as you dey. Okpofuri. I don't blame you. No sense at all. No, go now. Because I give Oga food, you too, you jump like 1 hour, go give him food. Ngwane call na aka na tipa buaja. Game on, I got fish here.
Allow me pass.
Where you dey pass?
Allow me now. What you want pass? Be your problem.
Abeg comot here.
What be your problem? What be your problem? Let me now. See problem.
Which nonsense problem?
Ladies, please, just chill out.
Ha!
Chill. I mean, we should just look forward to take care of him in his drunken state and not what you are doing.
See you. I no go gree make this alero reach where Oga dey. This one way I no correct. If I allow him reach where Oga dey, this one he go chop am raw, take advantage of the man because he dey is the way he take dey no good. I know am very well.
See wetin this girl dey talk.
Come on there.
Say me go chop Oga.
You go chop am raw.
See this girl, see rubbish show this girl dey talk. Now wetin dey your mind you dey try make me for my mind. Bang to send her. Nothing what I want do. The only thing what I want do be say I just want my carry Oga go inside room, bath am, rub and powder for the important places where there everybody go make cool them your tongue. You understand? Everybody go cool. Then he go